Hi Sagittarians, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your monthly love reading. So let's see what's happening in the Saggi's love life this month. Sagittarians, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send us the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So let's begin, Sagittarians. Thank you, all my subscribers. You are wonderful. Thank you. And if you're new here, do join our little family here and hit the subscribe button and let's keep meeting. It's always nice to have more and more, and I love your comments. So comment and I always write back, so it gives me motivation too, right? Thank you so much. So Sagittarians, as always, one side is for you, one side is for your partner. And in the middle I have your mutual energies. But feel free to flip the energy. If you feel you're on the other side, go ahead. And actually for the reading, I'm just going to call them person 1 and person 2. Okay, so you see which side you're going to resonate on. 4 of Cups and the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Not feeling too good. Person 1 is not accepting, feeling a little depressed, it seems. Feeling not wanting to go out there or mix around, not wanting to be out on the dating game, not accepting any love offers, feeling everything is, imbalanced. Knight of Swords and the Lovers. Strength and the Knight of Swords. Let's clarify these cards. But yes, some decisions are being made regarding this, relationship which didn't have too much equal give and take. So let's see. Spirit, what is this 4 of Cups? Yeah, somebody is feeling a little low, okay? This is just, it's more like a depressive energy here. Somebody is feeling, I don't have the strength to even, go around and look for anybody new, or I don't want to be in the relationship I'm in, feeling totally powerless. And things are really stagnant. Things are really stagnant, slow, not feeling that, there's anything happening at the moment. Yeah, maybe something did happen in person A's past, which was not a very balanced relationship. It didn't have equal give and take, and that this person is still reeling under the shock of what went down in their life. And right now I see person A not wanting to start anything new. Yeah, so maybe there was a lot of love there. Okay, there was a lot of love in the past, which kind of didn't work out. It really didn't work out, and now there's a bit of stagnancy after a Tower moment has already happened. So who's this Queen of Swords, Spirit? Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords. I have them twice here. Now, Knight of Swords is some harsh communication which probably came. And this also came from a person who was maybe emotionally immature. So one person here has kind of put a barrier up and is still, not feeling good about it. Is trying to make some kind of a choice about having a reunion probably with this person. There's still a choice to be made regarding this person who was not really a bit impatient, younger energy, didn't really fit the bill of a stable relationship, and this kind of made this other person who was probably single at that time or still is not feeling in their best of spirits. This person is now trying to release whatever the situation was really quick. Whatever happened here was really quick when the Tower went down, and even though things may have started okay, but when they ended like really, really swift. And now this other person is trying to make a choice about whether to have a reunion with this person or not, or to let all the stress and burden go from their life. and is now trying to find the strength within to protect themselves of maybe this energy or any other. Yeah, because a lot of secrets came out which were not really, to the highest good of the relationship or to this person, and now this person is now trying to keep their strength going and avoid anything which can kind of disrupt their life. Yes, right now this person feels there's too much stagnancy which has happened in their life and nothing is really moving forward. Again, that same depression, almost depressive energy, which one person feels that things are never going to work out. And maybe somebody came in strong in a relationship and kind of disrupted the relationship that was already there. And this was really quick. It happened so fast that it was like a tower moment. So let's see how this other person is feeling. Death. Page of Wands. Yes, this person B brought this relationship to a complete halt, I think, and they decided to drop this relationship from their life. Like death or can also mean a transformation. Yes, this could be a transformation, but it was death to the old way of the relationship, and this person decided to just drop it altogether and maybe move ahead in a creative new pursuit or life on their own, it seems. Let's see, Page of Wands. What is this Page of Wands? Yes, but this person felt there was no growth where they were. This person felt there is no growth and they really wanted to maybe explore, broaden their horizons, and this relationship was keeping them a bit slowed down maybe, and they had dreams and visions for their life, and so they just kind of brought this down. They brought the tower down. Now they want new beginnings. They want the wheel of fortune to turn in their favor, and they are trying to see where to invest their time. They want to come out. They've also been thinking. They've also been in a lot of reflection. Now they are also wanting to now once and for all come out of this stagnancy, this thinking, this over analyzing. They've been in their head, in their heart, trying to see what happened in the past, what were the investments that were made which didn't work, and now they're trying to bring in a big change in their life which can propel them forward. So what is this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Whatever didn't work, something in the past really didn't work, okay? Whatever relationship person B had with person A, maybe there was no working together in a way that there could be any forward movement. So I think this person has kind of brought the tower down. Page of Swords in reverse. This Page of Swords is usually a person who's spying on somebody. Yes, I think they've made a decision. They've made a decision to have a brand new beginning for themselves. Or is it with you? Because I have the Eight of Cups in reverse, which means walking back. Okay, so let me just clarify this before I talk too much. Eight of Cups, Spirit. Why is the Eight of Cups in reverse? Even though person B wants to bring back, or maybe a love offer, is trying to keep an eye on the other person, they are not being able to because they're a little afraid of, the other person, how they're going to react, because they know one person has turned their back. And it may lead to, like, it was a bitter end, and they feel this person still may be a little bitter towards them. And they're afraid, I think they're afraid. They're keeping an eye on person A, definitely. But they are not being able to come back. Let's see here. What are your mutual energies here? King of Wands, Ten of Swords, and the Five of Cups in reverse. So both of you could be fire signs, right? King of Wands, sorry. You both have that go-getting energy. So why is King of Wands in your mutual energy, Spirit? I think both of you have felt that because of the way this relationship ended, it hasn't really made either of you happy. It hasn't been a victorious space for either of you. You both feel let down by this ending, I think, that has happened, and both are trying now to find happiness again, and whatever swords were there and whatever heartbreak and whatever ended, I think both of you, heart of hearts, want this to end, this pain to end, and find happiness once again. Five of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Five of Cups in reverse for Sagittarius now? There is some communication coming, Sagittarius. There is some communication. This is in your mutual energy. So there will be some communication between the two of you where you will discuss this feeling, depressed and left, and whatever happened in the past, as to why these three cups spilled to the ground. Because I think you both kind of want to bring some kind of balance and talk about, it as to how some balance can be restored to this relationship, as to why, there was no emotional satisfaction by the end of it and what went wrong. Because right now I think there's still something which the chapter hasn't really closed out. There's still, both of you are trying to use your intuition to wonder what happened and how this conflict can be put down and, resolved once and for all. Let's see, Sagittarius, how this person is feeling about you. How is this person feeling about you, Spirit? Yes. How is this person feeling about Sagittarius? Wonderful. How is this person feeling regarding Sagittarius? Oh, wow. One more card, Spirit. How is Sagittarius' person feeling about Sagittarius? Sagittarius, your person sees you in a very good light. Okay, they see you in a very good light. You come across as the King of Pentacles, who is strong and resilient and can provide and look after, and they definitely want to stay committed with you, to you. But maybe there was something sneaky or something which went wrong in the past, and yes, that kind of led to some bitter feelings regarding something in the past which led to a lot of conflict. So as much as they see you in a good light, they are still kind of thinking about what went wrong. They're still too concentrated on the things which didn't happen or didn't happen well in the past. So Sagittarius, how do you see your person? How do you see your person, Sagittarius? How does Sagittarius see their person, Spirit? How does Sagittarius see their person? One more card, Spirit. How does Sagittarius see their person? Sagittarius, how do you see the person? One more card, please. Okay. Sagittarius, you see your person very stressed. Okay. You feel they are totally closed out. They are not letting you in at all. They're in a self-imposed kind of stressed out situation of their own. They don't want to really interact right now. They've pulled their energy back and they're healing and staying quiet. Mostly, they're alone and they don't want to talk to anyone. You see them maybe praying and reflecting a lot. Maybe you feel that they are still kind of going back and forth in their mind, and as to whether they should move away from you or whether you see them as not clear. You see them as not clear, and you still see them in a kind of conflict kind of energy. You don't see them. You kind of see them having turned their back on you at the moment. You don't see them really opening themselves up out to you after whatever conflict has happened in the past. You see them closed off. So let's see what can be your potential outcome. Ooh, potential outcome, Spirit, for Sagittarius and their person. Potential outcome for Sagittarius and their person, Spirit. One more card, Spirit, potential outcome. Last card. Sagittarius, you'll have to work for this person's love. You'll have to really put in a lot of effort for this person's love. You both do love each other, right? You both are each other's wish fulfillment. I mean, you both know that you're soulmates. You belong to each other. Yet both of you don't seem very happy with each other. Okay, emotionally there's still too much distance, and I think both trying to keep your emotions in check. Both of you know there is potential for complete happiness here. Both, there is nothing wrong here. There is a King of Pentacles, there is a Queen of Pentacles. Everything seems in order, but there is a bit of defensive energy going on, Sagittarius, where neither you nor your partner is really letting the other in at the moment. Both know that you make each other happy, both see the potential, but there is a lack of emotional investment here. Both are too guarded. So, yeah, let's see what the angels can bless you with. What can the angels bless my Sagittarius? What can the angels bless you with, Sagittarius, this month? Sagittarius, right now, I think whatever's happened in the past, it is time to make a bit of movement. Yes, this could have been a marriage or a partnership or a long-term association. So right now, I think both of you are hurting. It's very important to kind of, heal the situation. There is a lot of healing coming. But you both have to first nurture your own selves and move towards each other in a very healthy way. Right now, I think both of you are very defensive, both of you are hurting and not kind of showing your love to each other. And that is leading to a bit of withdrawal emotionally. Both of you are right for each other, but yeah. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Take care, love and light. See you next week.